Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and I'm back with a new video on how you can delete your Cash App account on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to delete your Cash App account, first thing you need to log in into your Cash App account. So after you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And once you click on the icon, next interface, you need to tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. So as you click on it, next interface will be directed to the profile page, and on this page you need to scroll down and then tap on support. So next page at the bottom you'll be able to see something else, so then you need to click on the option. Next interface will be directed to the support center, and on this page you need to scroll down, and then right at the bottom you have an option as account settings, which you need to click on it. And as you click on it, once again the page expands, and once you're on this page, once again you need to scroll down and then tap on close my Cash App account. So after that you'll be directed to a confirmation page, and on this page make sure to go through all of these following statements and then tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom. So after that you've successfully closed or deleted your Cash App account. So that is how you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.